Why do you invest in private companies over public companies?
We actually invest in both private and public companies. The heritage of our team, the Merian UK mid and small cap team, has been in public markets. We've been very large supporters and investors in a number of IPOs over a long period of time. We actually were finding that many of those private companies that we were meeting on a path towards an IPO were choosing to stay private for longer. We recognised that if we didn't have a vehicle to allow us to invest in those private companies, we were potentially missing out on those companies that might not actually come onto the stock market for a number of years.
Right. Richard, why are you investing in private companies?
So we come from the world of venture capital, which has always traditionally invested in private companies, and that is what we know best, and that is the story that we are selling to our investors, is that we can provide access to those companies for them, companies which they cannot access through other means.
Right, Suresh, you're investing in Asian companies. Why are you investing in private companies?
Well, I mean, Asia is a very large playground, and we find that there's a lot of opportunities in Asia because there's a massive financing gap, actually, for private companies. It's a $2.7 trillion US funding hole for the Asian SME space. So the number of opportunities and the breadth of opportunities across the Asian region is significant, multi-generational, if you will. So we find it a very attractive investment space to look for opportunities.